Here's a quick and easy solution to be able to get back to the YouTube videos that you started watching that you want to finish watching. Before I show you how to do this, there's a couple other videos that you may find valuable. I've got another more extensive video on this topic, and I'll put the link to that in one of the YouTube cards so you can watch it. So I'm going to go look for a video. Let's go look at BCI GWS. There's a channel that I own that's got a lot of content. I'm going to go view the channel right there. I'm going to click on videos and view the videos. Here's a video right here, DDCC webinar. I'm going to start watching that from this list. Click on it. Get past the ads, start watching the video, and then here's my problem. I'm going to stop the video playing because I have to go. I got to go to lunch. I got to go to the doctors. I got to go to senior services, whatever. I want to come back to this video. Hit the three dots right there, and then there's save. Hit the save button, and you'll see it saved to recent playlist, watch later. So I can come out of that. I can close the video down. I can come out of here, close my phone down, go to the meeting, come back. I want to go find that video. Here's how you do it. Click on you on the bottom right, and there it is up top, playlist, watch later. Click on that, and there's the video that I started watching that I want to finish watching. From this screen, I can hit the video, and I can start playing it.
Cool, and we're off.
And play the video. Now when I'm done, you want to remove it from the watch now list, but you can't do it from here. It's nowhere on here. What you need to do is close down the video. You can even shut down the video. Come back to the playlist named Watch Later, and there it is right there. Now I can click the three dots over there, remove from Watch Later. I found a video, started watching. I stopped. I saved it to a playlist. Went away, I came back. Open my playlist called Watch Later, watch the video, then close the video, come back to the list, and remove the video from the Watch Later playlist. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this is helpful for you.